Hey guys, this is Josh with Astra Bases, and today I'm going to go over the Shoreline Gold Astra Base with the Righteous Sound P bass pickups. These have two split Ps in them, one in the neck, one in the bridge, obviously. And so I'm just going to go. Sorry, it has a mahogany body, has a maple neck, rosewood fretboard, um, two P bass Righteous Sound pickups in it, and I'm going to go through the neck pickup and the bridge pickup with a pick, without a pick, and them blended together. So it has a blend pot. I can blend them, but I'm going to go hard on both pickups. I'll play them individually and together. So I'm going through the SVT Universal Audio plug-in. So let's see what that sounds. I'm going to start with both pickups with a pick. All right, so I'm going to go to the neck pickup. So it's going to have a little more actual P bass sound to it, a little woody. All right, let's go to the bridge with a pick. Right, I'm going to start playing with my fingers. I'll start with both pickups. let's go to the bridge. I'm plucking pretty hard too, so yeah, I'll do a little lighter and see what it sounds like. All right, guys. Yeah, that's the Shoreline Gold cream pick guard, and it has the Righteous Sound P bass pickups. Let me know what you think.